My name is Dr. Ali Jacowitz, and I am a postdoctoral fellow at Brooklyn Minds. I want to talk about acceptance and commitment therapy, ACT, A-C-T. Acceptance and commitment therapy teaches us to think flexibly. ACT embraces the idea that suffering is a result of our attempts to avoid distressing thoughts. But try this challenge. Imagine a giant pink elephant floating all around me. Have you stopped thinking about it? Or is that giant pink elephant just floating all around me, rocking your world? Don't do it. Don't you dare think about it. Are you going to be able to do that? Because chances are it will be all you can think about. We cannot control our thoughts. However, acceptance and commitment therapy teaches us to adapt to the thoughts that we are already having.